everyone, Namaste. On the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Papri welcome you all in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about on an interesting activity that is compiled by the most successful and innovative platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Today's idea is also developed by the innovative educators of UP Board for subject English, class 5th, chapter number 12. Chapter name is Alice in the Wonderland, and the idea that we are going to implement today is known as Word C. So the innovation of this idea is to enhance the students' creative thinking skill while they expresses their thoughts outrightly, which leads to self-learning. In this idea, student will get engaged in the process of learning in a playful manner. The time period for implementing this idea is about 20 minutes, and the concepts that are used in this idea for this lesson are vocabulary, noun, adjectives, verbs, question words and sentence formation. Now there are some pre-arrangements that the educator need to make in the classroom, that is some real life objects like a empty cardboard box and chart papers, colorful chart papers for wrapping the box. Now educator gives some sets of instruction to the students a day before the conduction of the activity, that is each students need to frame a sentence with the WHO family word, that is what, when, where and so on, with reference to the lesson. Next they have to write that sentence on a plain paper slip, and then they have to write their names on the other side of that slip and bring it in the class on the next day. Now, ensure that the reading of the story, building and explanation of the various other concepts have already been done before starting with the activity Word C. Now, begin the class by keeping the empty box on the table. Ask students to decorate it with the chart paper without disclosing the actual name of the box or the activity. Then educator gives some instruction to the students that lead to the activity the instructions are each student need to take out their slip that they have brought from their home and fold it and put it in the box. Make sure that all the students have written their names on the back of the slip. Now let all the students put their slips in the box and inform the students that this box contains a collection of words, so we will name this box as a Word C. Now continue the activity by providing some given sets of instruction, that is each student have to come one by one in front and pick up one slip and read the sentence aloud that is written on that slip to the class. Then the student will describe the concept associated with the sentence, like all the concept that I have been told earlier. For example, if student 1 picks up a slip that contains the sentence that what was Alice doing under the big tree written on it, so the child will speak aloud that sentence in the classroom, that what was Alice doing under the big tree, in front of the class. Then the student will explain the associated concept related to that sentence. That is, in this sentence the noun is Alice and tree, the adjective is big, the verb is doing, the question word is what, and the sentence formation is already been done. Now educator will ask the rest of the students to ask question related to the sentence. If they have any doubts regarding that sentence, they can ask. Educator can also add some extra information to help out the students if they are unable to answer it. Now repeat this activity until all the students get the chance to read whatever is written on their slips while answering the questions asked by the students, and appreciate students for using different sentences from their book and describe them accordingly. Now conclude that in this way students will learn new sentences related to the lesson in a playful manner. Now, if we talk about the learning outcomes that are achieved in this idea, those are respond according to the instruction, describe orally about a part of a character, or use a punctuation mark appropriately in writing or in framing sentence, use noun, verbs, adjective and other parts of speech in speech and writing. Now there are some notes that are need to remember for implementing this idea. That is, student may discuss and then write different words or sentences in their individual slip. Make sure that the discipline of the class is maintained while the activity is being conducted in the class. Ensure that every student get the chance to participate in the activity. As NCF 2005 firmly believe that every child comes with some pre-knowledge. Thus, this idea helps in gauging the pre-knowledge of the students. And this story is suggested to be taught as per the syllabus guideline, and inclusion of learning outcome of English facilitate an integrated approach while student listen to the instructions and act accordingly. Now, if we talk about the skills and the values, so the skills are creative thinking, critical thinking and effective communication, and the values are patience and politeness. Now it is also beneficial for the children of CWSN, like choosing words or sentences from the lesson and writing it on the slip, picking up a slip and related to the word to the lesson would enhance their memory. And children with have the specifically ADHD children in improving their attention span. So this is all for today's video. Hope you like it, and if you do like the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe it. You can also like our Facebook page, Sri Aurobindo Society ZIIEI in Facebook, and you can also download our innovative Pathshala app from the Play Store. Thank you.